Do you know that LinkedIn, the professional social networking platform, has actually been long than Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, and Instagram? But it's more relevant now than ever. From seeking a new job to maintaining your personal brand, building genuine connections, growing your presence and your network.
Well, using LinkedIn is an important part of being full-fledged professional in any industry these days. Well, in this video, we'll be going through 5 such tips which will help you improve your LinkedIn profile, which will help you tremendously build your digital presence, make an online personal brand and make you visible to key decision makers and recruiters. Also, at the end of the video, I'll be providing a special bonus tip. So watch the video till the end and let's get started.
LinkedIn gives you ability to showcase your profile, expertise, recommendations, and connections. Of course, it's the first professional impression of you when recruiters and employers search you. So here are the 5 tips which will help you to build your LinkedIn profile efficiently.
First and foremost, starting with say cheese, we all know that we can't judge a book by its cover. But the fact is, if the cover isn't inviting, people aren't going to open that book and read what's inside. Well, that's the same case with your profile pic on LinkedIn. A hiring manager who sees your LinkedIn profile pic will develop a certain impression on you, and that impression will be likely remain constant during an interview and beyond. The same goes when you're growing your network as well. So it's always recommended to update those unprofessional photos with some decent professional ones. Of course, it is worth to take some time examining that vibe your picture might be sending. Or you can even try different photos over a series of time to see which one seems to get you noticed the most on LinkedIn. Secondly, writing an engaging headline. Your headline is one of the most visible part of your LinkedIn profile, and it's a huge factor in a person's decision to reach out to you or move to a next person. It's also a major factor of LinkedIn's search algorithm. Headlines carry a lot of weightage when the platform is deciding which profiles to serve for different queries.
Because optimized headlines will result more searches. More searches will be giving result to more views. And finally, more views will be giving to more opportunities and more deals. There is a room for about 74 characters in LinkedIn profile headline. Use this wisely to say what you do, who you do it for, and completely depends on what your target role and responsibility is. For example, you want to propel your career in data science, then your headline should display the keywords or content related to data science. After all, LinkedIn is similar to search engines like Google or YouTube. Thirdly, talking about designing a new cover image. Your headline worked and users are beginning to visit your profile, which increases your open rate. Great job! Now, what next? The LinkedIn banner image is the first impression opportunity to reinforce you, your brand, and your business. For best practices, if you are part of any company, ask your marketing or content team to provide you with a branded LinkedIn cover image to use. Or you can create some amazing banners by yourself to showcase your qualities, skills in form of tagline or simple picture. After all, this is what keeps the person engaging to your profile or brand.
Coming towards the fourth point, which is reinforcing your About section. After landing on your page and seeing your cover page, profile visitors will scroll down your past profile picture, headline and arrive at your About section. Your About section is a good chance to illustrate your unique values, showing potential to employers on network, what you can bring to the table, what you can deliver, and which makes you stand out of the crowd.
Lastly, and most importantly, proudly share your experiences. This is what I can share on my personal experience. You have skills, you have worked on some amazing projects, or you have achieved something personally or professionally. Share those experiences on LinkedIn. Why? Because it's always great to showcase your skills than keeping them in your resume. I have shared my projects and lot of achievements due to which I have got interview calls directly from LinkedIn as well. Now, this becomes your great portfolio and gives a reason for recruiters to approach you because you are not only sharing your projects and achievements, indirectly, you're displaying your skills and your qualities as well, which matters.
Well, these were the 5 unique tips you need to build your amazing LinkedIn profile. But wait, we are missing something. Of course, a bonus tip. So the special bonus tip to improve your LinkedIn profile is start networking.
Networking doesn't mean reaching out to cold strangers. Start building your LinkedIn network by uploading your online address book. It can be from your email. Secondly, connect with your alumni. Connection and networking is strong when you connect alumni from your current college or university or your previous one. And lastly, customize your connection request. What I mean is instead of using some general or default message like I would like to add to my professional network, tailor each request based on purpose of connection, common interest and many such factors. Well, this was all from my side. Comment down more such additional tips you want to suggest to community in comment section below. Like and share this video if it was helpful and subscribe my channel for more such amazing content delivered every week. So signing off for today. Stay safe, take care and bye bye.